Children, good morning. How you all? Are you fine? Okay. A lot of holidays you enjoyed very well because of corona, and you have to take care of your health also. So today onwards we are going to start the topics in maths. Okay. Now I am going to teach you maths. Okay. What we are going to learn now, that first topic about large numbers. The first topic about large numbers. In the previous classes you learnt up to 3-digit numbers. You learnt up to 3-digit numbers. Now you are going to learn the after what we are going to learn after 4-digit numbers. What are those ones? Listen carefully. Not a 4-digit number, more than 4-digit number. Before going to know about the 4 or 5-digit numbers, first you should know what are digits. What are digits? What are digits, children? The numbers 0, 1, 2, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are called digits. These are called digits. What are those? Digits means what are those? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all called digits. So, next, what is a number? You should know what is a number. How you can form a number? Children, we know what are digits. Now, how we can form a number, we have to know. How we can form a number, Amma? By grouping the digits. By grouping the digits. Grouping the digits, we can form the number. By grouping the digits, you can form the number. For example, I took a number 7, 8. What are these digits, Nana? 7, 8. By grouping this digit, I formed a number 78. What is this number, children? 78. Next, 1, 3, 6. I took 3 digits. What are those? 1, 3, 6. By grouping these 3 digits, I formed a number. What is this? 136. 136. Like that, 4-digit number. Like that, 4-digit number. For example, 5432. What we call this number, children? 5432. How you will call this number? 5432. Okay? Okay, ma. Now, I am going to say you how you can write the numbers and how we can classify the numbers. How we can classify the numbers. Basing on the digits, we can classify the numbers. Different types. Basing on the number of digits. We classified the numbers basing on the number of digits. How you will classify the number of digits? See, first one digit number. First one digit numbers. What are 1-digit numbers, children? The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 9. We call them as 1-digit numbers. We call them as 1-digit number. Next, 2-digit numbers. The numbers 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on up to 99. We call them as 2-digit numbers. We call them as 2-digit numbers. Next one, 3-digit numbers. The numbers 100, 101, 102 like that up to 999. We call them as 3-digit numbers. We call them as 3-digit numbers. Next, 4-digit numbers. In the previous class, the 4th class you learned, in the 3rd class you learned up to 4-digit numbers. So, I think you know 1000, 1001 and so on up to 9999. We call them as 4-digit numbers. We call them as 4-digit numbers. So, now you are going to know after that 4-digit numbers. What are that? Next one, 5-digit numbers. What are 5-digit numbers, Nana? 10,000. 5-digit means 10,000. 10,001, 10,002, and so on up to 99,999. Okay, like that. 6-digit numbers. What are 6-digit numbers? 6-digit means 1 lakh. 6-digit means 1 lakh. 1 lakh, 1 lakh 1, and so on up to 9,99,999. Okay. Next, 7-digit number. What are 7-digit numbers? 9,99,999. After what you will get, children? 10 lakh. 10 lakh. 10 lakh 1, and so on up to 99,99,999. Okay, children. Like that you can write the numbers basing on the number of digits. This is the classification basing on the number of digits. Basing on the number of digits we can write the numbers. Okay. So in this you can write which are smaller and which are greater. Okay. Now I am going to say that. Listen carefully, children. Okay. 1-digit numbers. Which are smaller and which are greater in 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, we are going to know. Okay. In the 1-digit number, which is the smallest 1-digit number? 1. Greatest 1 digit? 9. In the 2-digit numbers, what is the smallest 2-digit number? 10. What is the greatest 2-digit number, children? 99. Next, 3-digit numbers. What is the smallest 3-digit number, children? 100. What is the greatest 3-digit number, 999. Next, 4 digits. What is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. What is the smallest 4-digit number, children? 1000. What is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. What is the smallest 5-digit number? 10,000. What is the greatest 5-digit number? 9,000. 99,999. Okay. Next, what is the smallest 6-digit number? Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Next, 9,99,999. Okay. So what is the next 7-digit? What is the smallest 7-digit number, Amma? 10 lakh. What is the greatest 7-digit number? 99,99,990. Like that you can write. So by seeing these tabular forms, we can come to a conclusion. What is that? The smallest smallest 1 digit or smallest 2 digit, smaller 3 digit. If they ask means the smallest number is always starts with 1. So the next remaining places, for example, they ask us to find what is the smallest 5-digit number. We don't know. What is the smallest 5-digit number? Smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit. What is smallest 5-digit, children? How you will write the smallest 5-digit number? Once look through that. So smallest 5-digit means smallest number means it starts with 1. Basing on the tabular form, you can come to the conclusion. The smallest number means it starts with 1. It starts with 1. And after 1, the remaining 5-digit number, so the remaining 4 place values are zeros. Okay. So how you will form the greatest number? Greatest means it starts with 9. If you check through the tabular form, what I write on board, the greatest number means it starts with 9. Small. If I ask what is the greatest 6-digit number. 6-digit number. What is the greatest 6-digit number? If you observe that greatest means it starts with 9. It's a 6-digit number, na? It's a 6-digit number means the remaining all places or all 9s only. It's nothing but 9,99,999. It's nothing but 9,99,999. Okay, children. Next we are going to know about the place value and face value of the numbers. The face value and place value of the numbers. How you will write the place value of a number and face value of a number. There is a difference between place value and face value. What is the difference? We are going to know. So, for example, what is the, if I take a number 785, what is the place value of 8? What is the place value of 8? What is the place value of 8, children? Before going to say what you have to do, first you have to write the place values on the number. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 8 is a tens place now. What is the place value of 8? 8 tens, 80. What is the place value of 8? 8 tens, 80. For example, they given a 4-digit number. They given a 4-digit number. And they ask us, what is the place value of 7? Place value of 7. So 4-digit means it is 1000 place now. What is the place value of 7, Amma? 7 is at 100th place now. 700. 700 is nothing but 7 into 100, 700s. For example, in 9462, what is the place value of 9? Place value of 9. What is the place value of 9? Before going to say what you have to write, while writing the place value of a number, first you have to place the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. What is the place value of 9? 9 is at thousands place na? 9 thousands. 9 is at thousands place na? 9 thousands. So up to this you know. Next place value, for example, I give a number 70,482. Now I ask you, what is the place value of 7? What is the place value of 7? Before going to that, first you have to write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 7 is at 10,000s. Now what is the place value of 7? Is 7. 10,000s means 7 into 10,000, 70,000s. 70,000s. So up to now you learnt about place value. Now I am saying what is the face value. How you will write the face value of a number. See the name of that face value, that doesn't changes. The number, the value of the number itself is called face value of the number. The value of the number itself is called face value of the number. For example, 6432. What is the face value of 4? Face value, not place value. Face value, face value. Okay. What is the face value of 4? The face value of a number is the value itself. What is the place value of 4? 4 only. What is the place value of 6 in this number? Face value of 6 is 6 only. But when you are writing the face value, by the time only changes. What is the place value of 4? 4 is at ones, tens, 100,000. Now 4 is at hundreds place is 400. What is the place value of 6? 6 is at thousands, na? 6,000. Like that you can write. Okay children, in the next class I will continue and next class we will discuss about the expanded notation and short form of the numbers. Okay children, goodbye.